Hey there, popcorn lovers. Today, I am so excited to introduce you to the Ecolution patented Micro-Pop microwave popcorn popper. If you're tired of buying expensive pre-packaged bags of popcorn that are full of unwanted chemicals, ingredients, and calories, then this is the perfect solution for you. This popcorn popper is not only fast and easy to use, but it also makes delicious gourmet popcorn without the need for oil or butter. The temperature-safe borosilicate glass ensures that your popcorn pops perfectly every time, without the risk of burning. And with the dual-function lid, you can even melt butter for that extra touch of gourmet goodness. The best part is that this popcorn popper is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. And with its sleek, stylish blue design, it's not only functional but also a fun gift idea for the popcorn lovers in your life. But why is glass better, you might ask? Well, not only is it resistant to wear and tear, but it also won't absorb any unwanted chemicals or acids that can be produced during use. Plus, it's made without BPA, hypoallergenic, and thermal shock resistant, ensuring that it's safe for you and your family. So, if you're ready to make homemade popcorn as a healthier and more cost-effective alternative to those single-use pre-packaged bags, then this is the product for you. And with the hundreds of fun and healthy snack recipe possibilities, the Ecolution patented Micro-Pop microwave popcorn popper will become your go-to for movie nights, the big game, or simply for a delicious snack. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below and get your hands on the Ecolution patented Micro-Pop microwave popcorn popper today. Trust me, it's a money well spent and a game changer for your popcorn enjoyment. Don't miss out.